Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit your images directly inside OneDrive. No extra software or fancy apps needed. Whether you're on the web or your phone, you'll be able to tweak, crop, and enhance your photos quickly and easily, all within OneDrive itself. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to give your images a professional polish without ever leaving the cloud. Let's get started. First, let's look at how to edit your images using the OneDrive web interface. Head over to OneDrive.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, find the photo you want to work on. Maybe it's a family picture that needs brightening up or a screenshot you need to annotate. Simply click on it to open it up in the viewer. At the top center of your screen, you'll spot an Edit button. Go ahead and click that. This brings you into OneDrive's built-in editing workspace. Now, don't worry if you're new to this. Everything here is pretty intuitive, and you can always undo any changes if you don't like the result. The first tool you'll see is the cropping tool. This is super handy for cutting out distractions or focusing in on what matters in your photo. You'll notice handles around the edges and corners of your image. Just click and drag them to adjust the crop area. Maybe you're trying to get rid of a busy background or make your shot look more balanced. If you want a specific shape, like a perfect square for social media or a 9:16 ratio for your phone's wallpaper, those preset aspect ratios are right there. Just click to select and OneDrive will lock the crop to that proportion. Don't rush this step. Sometimes a careful crop is all you need to turn a good picture into a great one. Next up are rotation and flipping options. It's that familiar situation. You took a photo and it came out sideways, or maybe you just want to see it from a new angle. You have a slider for fine-tuning the tilt or quick 90-degree rotation icons to spin the image instantly. Use these tools to straighten out horizon lines or to creatively flip your image. Think of this like turning a paper photo in your hand to get the best perspective. If your photo looks a little too dark or washed out, the adjustments section is your best friend. You'll have sliders for brightness, contrast, exposure, saturation, and warmth. For example, boosting brightness can bring back detail and shadows, while dialing up saturation can make those vacation blues and greens pop. Make small tweaks and keep an eye on the live preview until you're happy. There's no harm in experimenting. If you ever go too far, you can easily reset the sliders. Want to give your photo a unique look? Try applying a filter. OneDrive lets you choose from styles like golden, dramatic, or film burn. It's like adding a mood to your image with a single click. Filters can help unify the style of a photo album or just make a post stand out. And if you change your mind, you can always switch to a different filter or return to the original look. For those moments when you need to highlight something specific or jot a quick note on your image, the markup tool is perfect. Just grab the pen or use a touch-compatible device to draw or write directly onto your photo. Maybe you want to circle a friend in a group shot or point out a landmark. Markup gives you that flexibility. Once you're done editing, you have a choice. Click Save to overwrite your original photo or choose Save as Copy if you want to keep both the untouched version and your new creation. I recommend saving a copy when you're trying out advanced edits or just in case you want to revert later. And that's it. Editing images in OneDrive is now straightforward and convenient, keeping everything organized in one place. If this walkthrough helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up, ask any questions down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.